So this is the new company vehicle na naka-issue sa amin. So hindi na po kotse ang ini-issue dito sa Madrid, Philippines. Hindi, ito na pong electric scooter.
Drop that shit.
So this is the future of daily commute here in Makati and the Philippines. And hopefully one by one adapt tayo lahat sa future of electric scooter technology. Let's go!